Can slate floors be repaired? Yes, it is possible to repair your slate floor without having to replace the entire flooring. If you notice a chip in one of the tiles, you can use colored grout to fill the gap. Anthracite is a popular repair filler for slate. If the damage looks loose, you can use a chisel to chip the damaged slate. Make sure you wear safety glasses while you are working. Then you can fill in the repair. Finally, you can apply some sealer to prevent stains. Some more slate repairs are: if you have loose tiles, the tiles can be removed and relaid, or replaced. If the mortar bed is damaged, it can be repaired before relaying the tiles. If you have a damaged tile, the damage can be repaired with fillers, or the tile can be replaced. If a tile is scratched, the scratches can be sanded away, or concealed with a sealer. Damaged sealer can be removed and the tile resealed. As you can see, there are lots of repairs that can be done with slate floors. If you need slate floor repairs, contact Abbey Floor Care, 0800 695 0180.